Welcome to Blunt on Business. This is Rich Laster with growexpand.com. We are coming to you live as always because there's really no other way to do this. So, what are we talking about today? The common misuses of your client relationship management software. Okay, we want to get into this quickly and thoroughly because time is money, right? I need you to understand whether you can afford help or not. I need you to understand how to get your CRM working for and making money for you. Right after this. So first, let's put the phone on mute, and then we'll get to first. First, your data, right? Your data is the purpose of a CRM. This isn't just a tool for you to use to track, follow, oversee your sales team. What are they doing? Lighten up and get focused. This is a tool, one, to keep your sales team clear on and performing on the daily actions required to reach goal. What are they? They're measured by your key performance indicators. If your key performance indicators don't measure daily activity, they're incorrect. They might be deep, they might be like purely functional on a pontification level, but there is a pontiff, Pope Leo. He's doing a great job. That's not why you're in business, to pontificate, right? To say you've checked all the boxes. You're in business to make money. So in the aim of making money, what we need is for your data to be a byproduct of the right activities daily. The right activities daily. The right activities daily. Why is this important? Well, I'm glad you asked. This is extremely important because nothing else matters. The activities required on a daily basis to move the needle forward in your business are everything. Once you know that you are leading your sales team, or for founders doing sales, leading yourself, once you know you're properly leading towards key performance indicator, you know that your pipeline is growing. You know that you are working what's in your pipeline more efficiently than you ever have. Here's a message for marketing. You also know, you also know what a marketing qualified lead should look like, right? Right? Yeah, you're all bobbing your heads. I love you all. It's great. MQLs that don't convert means that the entire marketing funnel can be thrown in the trash. Before you get to the sales pipeline, there is the marketing funnel, there is the education, there is the engagement, right? And then there is the election to receive more information or to have a meeting, right? So the marketing funnel should be very simple because it drops into the sales pipeline. We're at the beginning. What's the beginning? A discovery call. Why does this involve your CRM? because from the moment someone engages, that data should be tracked in your CRM. I don't just want to know how we're working deals. I want to know how successfully prospects are becoming leads. You understand? So the right processes in place that drive the right daily activity for sales, boom, I'm working that pipeline. The right metrics, whether they're your lead magnets, your email sequences, what have you. This is where I wish I had one of those sound effect buttons. I need you to really drill down on the fact that everything is about what? Delivering the value of your product or service. Right? So marketing and sales should be aligned in their messaging. Okay? At the beginning of marketing, at the beginning, before the funnel's built, there should be some work, and sales should be at the table. There should be some work around what's our promise? What are we delivering on? Who exactly are we talking to? Like, there's so much here that getting into one specific focus is going to be hard. So number one is KPIs equal daily sales activity. Number two is, what did we just do? I just took a grenade and threw it in your silo. The entire silo collapsed. You can't afford silos. That might be how your dad did it at his job back in the 50s, but no. Siloed data means that important information relational to serving customers, important information is not accessible, right? If your messaging, marketing, if your messaging is not effectively helping sales, by the time people get to the beginning of the sales pipeline, these people are not interested whatsoever. They thought they were about to buy a Toyota, and they're here talking to you about a Tesla. That means our entire funnel is trashed because we're educating wrong and we're not having the right conversations at engagement. Okay? If marketing and sales weren't siloed, that would not occur. Okay? Most importantly, open and effective communication is the way to keep the silos down. They go up. Sales and marketing don't always know that they're cousins and they're supposed to work together. When they work together, oh boy. I can spend all day on this, but I like to stay to 10 minutes. And as you can tell, I'm ripping and running, and I tried to shove a muffin in my mouth and let you listen to some gospel at the beginning of this. I'm going to clip that for the video. Look, if any of this is like French to you or foreign, jump in my DMs, jump in the comments, click comment, whatever social platform you're on, Grow Expand is there. Let's have a conversation about customizing your CRM for you. It's something that we kind of do as an entry level for clients, and now we're doing it for the public. It's the best $2,500 you'll ever spend in your life. For those of you with 5 or fewer seats, it's $500 each additional seat. Enough of that. Your CRM is everything. The reports that come out of it should be AI generated because you don't have time. I know you don't, right? These are things that we do for clients. This is so important. This is so important. your CRM. Your friend of yours is in tech and he built it for you. Yeah, cute. But your process, your KPIs don't align with the buyer journey of the people you're selling to, which is why you're having such a hard time. Maybe let a bunch of sales guys do it. We're great at it. I'm Rich Laster with growexpand.com. It's always good spending time with you. I love it. Tremendous. Now a message from our sponsor.
A bit about our company. We produce strategies and deploy experts to grow your business revenue. The success of our clients is a direct result of the 25+ years of sales and marketing experience of our founder, Rich Laster. We take the guesswork out of increasing your revenue. Our reputation is built on results, not another roll of the dice with your marketing budget. Visit growexpand.com